Earth supports life in environments ranging from freezing mountain peaks to boiling hot springs. These distinct habitats contain a density of organisms that can be difficult to comprehend. We have formally identified between 1.7 and 1.8 million species. Without a method of organization, this scale of biodiversity remains a chaotic cloud of isolated data points. Regional languages add a layer of confusion. Depending on where you stand in the Americas, the same large cat might be called a mountain lion, or a puma, or a cougar. Without a universal organizing system, human knowledge of the living world is little more than a disorganized pile of local observations. Biologists solve this communication problem through systematics, the scientific practice of identifying, naming, and classifying every living thing on Earth. The modern system is built on binomial nomenclature, a naming convention established by Carl Linnaeus in the 1700s. The core rule is simple. Every organism receives a two-part scientific name, consisting of its genus followed by its species. Take a look at this botanical illustration. By following the convention, this specific type of plant is globally recognized as Mangifera indica. This two-part Latin identifier acts as a biological first and last name, allowing researchers in different countries to know exactly which organism they are discussing. To organize these names, we drop every organism into a hierarchy, a series of nested categories. To see how this sorts the world, let's trace the lineage of humans. We start at the widest level, Kingdom Animalia. We share this tier with sharks, birds, and insects because we are all multicellular and must consume other organisms for energy. At Phylum Chordata, the requirements tighten. You must have a notochord, a flexible support rod. Humans have one, insects do not, so they are filtered out. At class Mammalia, the filter requires hair and mammary glands. The birds and fishes are removed. Each descending level acts as a stricter filter, stripping away organisms with differing anatomical traits until only a specific group remains. By order Primata, we are grouped exclusively with monkeys and gorillas, locked in by shared features like forward-facing eyes and complex social behaviors. The filter tightens again at Family Hominidae, an even narrower classification containing only the great apes. We slide into the genus Homo, a lineage restricted to humans and our closest extinct ancestors. Finally, we reach the species, Sapiens. Isolating an organism at the species level identifies it as a distinct biological population, separated from every other group in the natural world. These tiers are more than just labels for a filing cabinet. They are based on the physical structures found in specimens like these skeletons. When we group organisms by shared anatomy, we are actually mapping common descent. Traits like the notochord or mammary glands are legacies passed down through physical inheritance. We share a class with this tiger because we both inherited hair and milk production from the same ancient mammalian ancestor. The same logic applies to the Mangifera indica we saw earlier, and even to bacteria. Every species occupies a specific branch on one vast interconnected tree. Systematic classification reveals that all life, regardless of its kingdom, is part of a single continuous physical history that has